Everybody's favorite topic and everybody's favorite person to talk about their favorite topic, taxes. All right, Paul, selling on Amazon. What do we need to know? What are the types of taxes? And then we'll dig into them in later videos. But what do we have to be aware of on our radar?
Okay, well, there's the taxes you have to pay when you bring the products into the country, known as the tariffs. This has been a big topic discussion. When the products are here, you have to potentially worry about property taxes, but hopefully not, but that's a potential when inventory is being stored in the state. Then you've got your sales and use tax, which is important to know for two reasons. Obviously, sales and use tax is something that has been a big hot topic, and I've advocated, against individual sellers having to collect them, but that's still out there and we're still fighting it. But the good news is that by the end of 2019, most states will be doing, Amazon will be doing the sales tax for you. But then there's this thing called use tax, which is the taxes you have to pay. So if you buy a laptop for your company and you bought it on Amazon and you thought you pulled a fast one, well, you might be at risk. You might have to pay that use tax. Technically supposed to pay it even for your own personal self. And then there's income tax. And income tax is the thing you have to pay. Like when you pay your federal taxes, you got to pay it to the state. You may have to pay it to the state that you're incorporated in. So be careful what state you incorporated in. You may have to pay it in the state that you have an Amazon warehouse in, although I advocate against that as well. But that's certainly something the states have said they believe the answer to be. So taxes everywhere. You got to be wary.
Yes. Well, don't try to DIY this. It took me a long time to learn, and I still, at the end of the day, was like, I'm just going to an expert. So we'll let you know what to be aware of and to talk about and think about when you're talking to an expert. It's good to be educated because you need to be able to evaluate and plan for your business. So these are things that affect you. Yeah, you don't do it all yourself, but you need to know about it. So we'll get into the different types right now, what you need to know. So enjoy listening to Paul and myself.